Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Lin Shidong's backhand versus Zhendong's backhand. Hello, how are you today? Do you love training backhand topspin? I am EmRatThich. Comparing Lin Shidong's backhand to Zhendong's backhand is a difficult task, as both players have different styles and techniques. However, I can provide some general insights. Zhendong is known for his powerful backhand, which is often regarded as one of the best in the world. His backhand technique is characterized by its speed, accuracy, and spin, allowing him to make aggressive returns and control the pace of the game.
Oh,
真厉害！
这个没办法，
哦。
关键是。
On the other hand, Lin Shidong's backhand technique is also characterized by its speed and accuracy. He has the ability to quickly generate power with a small swing, making fast and deadly shots with his backhand. While both players have impressive backhand techniques, it's difficult to say who has the faster or better backhand. This is largely due to the fact that table tennis is a sport that often involves subjective opinions, and it can be difficult to compare players based on different styles and techniques. Lin's backhand fits very well with the new trend in table tennis, which emphasizes quick and aggressive play. With his fast backhand, Lin is able to surprise his opponents with unexpected shots, often gaining the upper hand in rallies. However, while Lin's backhand is fast and aggressive, there are still some unforced errors that come with it. This is not uncommon for players with such an aggressive playing style, as the risk of errors is often a trade-off for the potential rewards. Comparing Lin's backhand to Zhendong's backhand, it's worth noting that both players have different styles and techniques. Fan's backhand is more secure and reliable, allowing him to consistently make returns with accuracy and spin. Personally, I prefer Zhendong's backhand. What about you?
from the crowd. No!
Lovely back.
漂亮！
哇！
哇！这手爆出。
左半台的相持。哇，漂亮！
看到2分。
哇！
我去！
哇！
这球刺激，真的是
高一块，高一块。
是高。
回摆控制，摆手上手。好的。
有16岁，也是创下纪录。好，比赛开始。看双方的相持。好的。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.